To the world, you may seem like one more crazy vegan, but to the animals, you're their only hope. So thank you for being here. Now let's go see what this tastes like. So the people in my family have already eaten these, but they left me two for this video. This is a food item that we're going to review. It's some sort of like cupcake thing, but it looks like it's pretty narrow. It's not very tall. But as you can see, it is vegan. It says senza latte e uova. So latte means milk and uova means eggs. So no milk, no eggs. Great, no problem. Let's try it. But before we do, let's have a quick reminder about why it is that we want to have vegan foods. So looking at this sweet little cow, let's remember that we do not want to consume dairy because the dairy industry is the rape industry, and here's what they do. Now, this is not my favorite thing to do, to have to tell you what happens in the dairy industry and just ruin your whole life because you've been drinking cow's milk all the time and you just think it's delicious, but you gotta know. You just have to know. So, number one, they sexually assault the bulls by tying them up and rubbing them inappropriately to steal their sperm. I remember the first time that I saw images of that, I was so disgusted. I mean, these beautiful bulls who don't want to harm anybody. I know what you think. You think that they want to charge at you all the time, and it's just not even true. They tie down these beautiful bulls, and then they rub them inappropriately to steal their sperm. It is so fucked up. It truly is just so disgusting. I don't know how this goes on or how this is even still legal. Number two, they rape the female cows by pinning them down and forcing sperm into them against their will. As if that's not bad enough. Number three, they kidnap the baby boy cows when they're born and murder them because they consider them to be useless in the industry because they will never be able to produce milk. So look, I haven't tried these yet, but honestly, even if they are the worst possible thing in the world, to me it is just not worth it to hurt innocent cows when we don't have to. So let's keep reading. Number four, they kidnap the baby girl cows so they can force them to be milk machine slaves for their entire lives, just like their mothers. And then, number five, they steal the milk that was meant for these babies. Now, if I could just get you to put your cognitive dissonance aside for a moment, just to think about this just logically, how in the heck did our society ever think that it was okay to steal milk from babies? To steal milk from babies. They're just babies, little baby cows. They're the most innocent, cute creatures, and we treat them so horribly. I don't know. I can't even wrap my head around it. After almost 8 years of being vegan, I still don't understand how anybody could ever have thought that this was okay. But then it goes on. They kill the mother cows after only 4 years instead of letting them live their full lives in freedom for 20. Can you imagine? I don't get it. When we were little, we all loved to play with animal toys. We never wanted to hurt them. When something happened to our little toys, we would get so upset. And now we do this to them. Number seven, they repeat these cycles of violence for years and lie to you about what really happens because they only care about getting your money. So what's the solution? Well, it says right there on the bottom. Buy soy or oat milk instead, and you can learn the truth. If you haven't yet done so, please go and watchdominion.com. You go to literally type in watchdominion.com. All right, so let's see. Let's see if we like these. You guys ready? All right, so I've unwrapped one here. And you know what this reminds me of? There used to be a Seinfeld episode, I don't know if you guys ever saw that show, but where they talked about selling only muffin tops. And this is actually more like what that looks like just the top part, the sort of crusty part. So I hope it's good. Let's see. Let's take a bite of this. Oh, well, okay. It looks okay, but I was really kind of hoping it wouldn't crumble like that. I was hoping that it would be kind of more moist, but let's taste it. Well, very chocolatey. That's good. It's good, but it has sort of a weird consistency. Like, I don't know, it feels like after 2 seconds, it feels like peanut butter in your mouth. Like it's not like crispy or anything. It's just more like it turned to some sort of thick pudding, but I mean, it's good. I mean, I definitely want to keep eating it, that's for sure. I want to have the rest. I feel kind of bad eating this in front of you, actually. And while I'm eating, I can't even talk. So you basically just have to watch me eat it. Sorry. Oh. Need soy milk. Hold on. All right, let's get some soy milk in here. That's what we need to wash this down with. Oh, look at that beautiful creamy soy milk. Oh, yummy. We get the one without sugar. What about you guys? Let me know in the comments. Cheers. I remember the first time I tried soy milk, I didn't like it, and now I can drink the whole thing. Sometimes when we're out and I have nothing to drink, I just buy the whole liter and I just drink the whole thing. Like, I just drink directly from the carton. Tell me, I know you do it too. Some of you do, some of you admit it. All right, so I say, look, would I buy this again? Probably, maybe not. I mean, it is good. Maybe, I don't know, I feel like I want to dip it into some kind of pudding or something. Well, maybe if I dip it in here, maybe that's what you're supposed to do. Oh, my husband always dips his Oreo cookies in milk. Maybe that'll be better. Yeah, that is definitely better. That is what it needed. Just a little bit of extra moisture. So yeah, I was gonna say maybe I would give this like, I don't know, a 7 on 10, but I just think that upped it. Probably an 8 on 10. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's it. That's it. Delicious. And no little cows had to die. Look, thanks a lot for being here today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you like it. Like, you gotta press the like button once in a while. You know, I know most people don't like my videos, so I usually have about 3 likes. Maybe this time I'll have 6 or 7. That would be awesome. And if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and do that too. And, you know, tell all your friends about this channel. I'm sure, you know, once they find out, they're all just gonna watch every single video, all 2,000 of my videos, probably binge watch in one shot. Take care, guys. Have a great rest of your day. And hopefully it's a vegan one. Bye for now.
Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now. Let's help her save every chicken, pig, and cow. Let's follow that vegan teacher.